All right, we're here at the Delano Resort and Hotel by the Mandalay Bay, and I'm just going to show you the room and a little bit of the stuff in the casino, just because there is music and YouTube will censor that. So it's going to be mostly just the hotel room. So let's go up there and see that. Hey everybody, we're at the room at the Delano. And before I walk in, let me show you this. All right, we actually have a doorbell. So let's go on in. Right there is the bathroom and the sink. This is our living room. Right here, the door is super loud. Got a bar, fully stocked fridge. Don't do it. This is our bedroom right here. Going into the bathroom, you got a shower, a huge tub for two if you wanted it, toilet of course, and TV in the bathroom. All right, that's the room. It's a really nice room. It's not a two bedroom, it's a one bedroom suite here at the Delano, and it's a really nice room. It's really modern. We're not into modern, but it's still a really nice room. Let me show you this though. All right, you see these right here? You can go to a liquor store and get these for like $3-5 here in Las Vegas. You take one of those out, minimum charge is gonna be $25. So if you wanna waste your money there, have at it, it's your money. But it's a nice room. Our view the bedroom does overlook the strip. It's not a great view, but it's because you got the Mandalay Bay right there. And we're not really super high. We're only on the 9th floor. If we were like on the 22nd, 23rd floor, it'd be a much better view. So it's still a nice room. I'm not complaining because it was comped. They comped us this room. We're doing 4 days, 4 nights, 5 days here. They gave us $400 for gambling and $300 for food comps. And the food comps means we can pretty much, it's a room comp. We can use it for food. We can use it for concerts here and stuff like that throughout the M Group properties. So that's really cool that we're able to do that. This is still really weird to us. This is number 4 right now, and so far we're about almost $8,000 in rental of rooms, and then we're at $1,600 for gambling comps, and we're at $1,400 for food comps, or what you want, a room comp, whatever you want to use it for. So let me just show you some stuff down on the floor, and I can't really show a whole lot, like I said earlier, because the music, YouTube has this thing, if it's over 10 seconds, you know, they're gonna give me a fine or spank my hand, whatever they do. So I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna give you less than that in a couple of those spots. Restaurants are good. We went to the Irish pub tonight, had dinner, which was really good. The Asian restaurant here is really good. And there's another restaurant we went to that was really good. And I forget the name of it. But anyways, I think it was Centex or Central or something like that called. Anyways, I'll put it right there. All right, so let's go show you some of the other stuff. Not a lot, really nice hotel. The Delano does not have slots in it. They share the Mandalay Bay's casino area. Anyways, let's go down there.